Last weekend, a Swiss railway company broke the world record for the longest passenger train, with a trip across one of the most stunning Alps tracks. On Saturday local time, the Rhaetian Railway Company conducted its world record attempt. The Swiss train was comprised of 100 carriages, measuring a total length of 1.9 kilometers, carried 150 passengers. The train ran along the Albula-Bernina route, from Preda to Berguen, which is located about 172 kilometers southeast of Zurich. Taking about an hour, the train's journey led through 22 tunnels, some of which spiral through mountains, and across 48 bridges, including the curved Landwasser Viaduct, which towers 65 m above the ravine below. Thousands of rail enthusiasts lined the valley to watch the train sections win their way through the Alps. Rhaetian Railway Company director Renato Fasciat said, "The record attempt was intended to highlight some of Switzerland's engineering achievements and to celebrate 175 years of Swiss railways." The 7 train drivers and 21 technicians on board had to make sure that all 25 trains do the same, accelerating and braking at the same time, and were all guided by the first driver, Renato said. The previous record was held by the National Belgian Railway Company for a 70-carriage train measuring 1.7 kilometers in length.